Greetings, it's Maxo Diddly here, and today I am here with another length check tutorial in C++. So, if you want to see part 1, click the eye up in the corner. It's a very quick tutorial, but you don't need to watch it to watch this one. So in this tutorial we're going to be doing another type of length check, and we're going to be checking if a value is greater than or equal to another value, or less than and equal to another value. So let's get right into it. So we've got string user input equals Jeffy. This is a variable to represent the user input. This tutorial does not cover getting user input, only how to validate it. And then what we're going to do is we're going to do cout bool alpha length check user input 5. And obviously we have the little arrowheads and the stds in that line of code as well. So bool alpha basically will make sure that anything in this cout that's a boolean is printing true or false, because by default in C++ a boolean is printed as like a 0 or a 1, and that's not as readable as a true or a false. You don't need to do this, but I'm going to. And let's go and define length check. So before we do that, make sure to import or include iOS stream and string. We'll be needing those. So this is our length check function. So it's bool length check std string input int size. So it's a boolean, it returns a true or a false. It's called length check, that's the name of our function. String input is our first parameter, int size is our second parameter. So we're going to be checking the size of a string. So what we do is we can do input.length to get the length as an integer for this string. And we can use this return statement to return the boolean result of this line of code to whatever we called the function. So right here. So what we can do is we can do input.length, which will get us an integer representing the length of the string, and we're going to check if it's greater than or equal to the size. So let's say we have Jeffy as our input, so it's 5 characters long, and our size is 5. Well, is 5 greater than or equal to 5? It is. So we return a true to whatever our code is called. If we did Jeff as our input, the length would be 4, and then we would be checking if 4 is greater than or equal to 5. 4 is not greater than or equal to 5, so this returns a false to whatever we call the code. So let's test this code out. As you can see, it says a true because Jeffy is greater than or equal to 5. But what if we put a 6? Well, it says false because it's 5 characters, 5 is not greater than 6. However, what if we did less than or equal to 6? Well, it becomes valid again. So, thanks for being a great audience, be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more C++ tutorials. Thanks for being a great audience.